Rahul Gandhi got into a trouble because of a former Pakistan minister. Now here's what happened. Former Pakistan minister who's been a known India beta, Fawad Chaudhry, put forth a social media video. He shared it where Rahul Gandhi was speaking and said Rahul Gandhi is on fire, basically praising him. BJP jumped on this. BJP said, look how Congress ka haath is Pakistan ke saath. This accusation has come after former Pakistan Minister Fawad Hussain Chaudhry, who's closely associated with Imran Khan's Tehreek-e-Insaf party as well, posted this video. And it was basically where Rahul Gandhi had asked about the absence of poor people or from underprivileged groups at the Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha ceremony. He then captioned it, Rahul is on fire. Even though, remember, that the Pakistan minister has no reference, no connection, nothing to do with Indian politics. And because of this, BJP jumped on this. BJP has said that this is an alliance evident between Congress and Pakistan. Saffron Clan is now accusing that there is a sympathy factor that Congress has toward Pakistan. BJP is accusing Congress leaders of defending even terrorists who raise pro-Pakistan slogans. India Today's Gaurav Sawant is joining me for the latest on that. Gaurav, this is clearly what the BJP has jumped on, and at this point, and it's very interesting because Rahul Gandhi really didn't do anything. It was Fawad Hussain Chaudhry who shared this video. And why would he want to say Rahul Gandhi is on fire on an issue that doesn't relate to Pakistani netas at all?
So, Fawad Hussain Chaudhry claims that he's speaking up against extremism wherever it may be. But Fawad Hussain after him, the BJP, of course, has latched on to this issue, saying that Congress and Pakistan, that's the BJP's claim, the rishta is clear, is what the BJP said, Congress ka haath Pakistan ke saath. And then they go on to say, list out instances where UN-designated global terrorist Hafiz Mohammed Saeed is reported to have said that Congress is his favorite party, or they recall that Manish Shankar Iyer went to Pakistan and said, Inhe hataiye, hame laiye, or words to that effect. Or the BJP claims that in Congress leader B.K. Hariprasad, was, according to BJP, batting for Pakistan, or at a Congress leader's rally, Pakistan Zindabad slogans were raised. So in an election season, it's just given the BJP a stick to target the Congress with in an issue where it's open season in every issue.
All right, so Gaurav Sawant is telling us precisely how, remember, and from a Pakistan minister, former minister no less, vocal anti-India beta, he has said Rahul Gandhi is on fire, and BJP has said this shows a link clearly between the two.